Okay, guys. Here's what if I'm unstuck? How do I pick up this though? I want to see my inventory. Okay, I hate watering plants, bro. Joke lang. Damn right, it's better than yours. Damn right. Bro. Please go to my garden. Not in my brother's garden. No. I'm just wondering. Kakaunsak. Bro. Level up lollipop and stock. Okay. I'm coming up. Level up lollipop and stock. Damn right, it's better than yours. Damn right. Bro, go to my garden, Jendo, bro. Jendo, I will kick. What is that? Looks like I need to climb it. No, you cannot climb that. Bro, I cannot climb that, bro. Legendary egg was restocked in the pet shop. Okay. I'm coming. Bro, you got... Huh? Rare egg. Legendary egg. Kuya, bigyan mo ako, bro. Did you know we are friends? Kuya, may mythical egg.
Nabay ko na yan kanina pa.
Legendary egg. Bro, look, Jandel did, bro. Ano rahi kay Jandel? Bakit may mga black? Alam ko, romansiko. Yan. Hindi. Bakit ganyan? Jandel, kakainis ka na. Jandel. Bakit mo pinabigay ng pera yung walang kwenta? Yung bone blossom mo? Ano yun? Pizza ka stock! I have so many beanstalks and I'm not gonna plant this. Oh no.
Siya, kuha kayo ng beanstalk.
Stem right.
Kuha kayo ng beanstalk sa plants.
What's this, bro?
Ako dyan.
Nang?
Kuha ka ng beanstalk, dalawa. Ay, di, apat pala kailangan natin. Apat pala kailangan natin.
Ay, nabay ko na yun eh. Nabay ko na yun, bro. A fairy appeared somewhere. Oh, where is it? Bayang. Bro, there's no sound. Hey, can I go to your body? Oh no. Blur that out. Jando, why you just dress up like a green bean? Come on, go fairy, bro. Go fairy. What's that? Ba?
School? It's a RB school?
Damn right. It's better than yours. 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 Damn right. is better than yours. Damn right, is better than yours. Ang tagal, ang tagal, ang tagal. Kanina pa ako na... Ha? Let's talk about Capifan. Capifan is a bad person, bro.
Saan niya kaya yung nakita? Tapi funny sa bad person, pero sa laro, ang dami kayang bad person sa laro. Uwi ka lang. Ano si ate?
We are no longer superstars. Debbie. Okay. Wow, me. Huh? Why? Why? Bawal ba mag-bad word dito sa Roblox? Fat Jandel. Okay, fat. Fat. Kinay?
Wala, sinasabi mo fat ka, JR.
Fats. Fatty. Fatty. Fatty.
Pati
Fatty.
mo kunwari na sa tulog, pero iniisip niya, sana yung mag-stock.
Hello, why? Why, Jendo? Okay, they're back. Who they're back? Okay, the big cock is back. The big cock is back. Boom, shakalaka. Shakalaka, bro. It's so cool.
Oh, OB.
All the time.
Siya may OB jump pad.
Go!
Sayang ka
Go!
ngayon.
Boom. Cleaning pet. Do! Bakit nandyan yung burning bud mo?
Oh, Jer, coconut on stock. Pwede mo.
Ayoko yan!